Hello everyone! Every recommendation I'm about to give comes from specialized technicians who work at this well-known appliance repair shop, so let's solve this issue together. About 7 days ago, a woman came in with her oven showing the F7 code and said, "It turned on," and suddenly F7 appeared, "It doesn't heat at all." The technicians at the shop know that this usually indicates a problem with the temperature sensor or the control board. Basically, the oven protects itself because it detects something out of range and prevents the heat from rising too much. For example, many customers mention that the oven started showing F7 while cooking normal recipes, which can be alarming. In these cases, the first thing we do in the shop is check the temperature sensor and its connections. As a technician explains, if the sensor doesn't send the correct reading, the board assumes overheating and locks everything. Sometimes a loose wire or a corroded connector is all that's causing the problem. At the same time, there are occasions when the issue lies with the main control board. Some customers mention, "I changed the sensor and it was still the same," which clearly indicates that we need to measure the signal at the board and ensure it receives the sensor reading correctly. This avoids unnecessary replacements and ensures the oven is fixed right the first time. Additionally, certain GE models have technical bulletins indicating that a board redesign or firmware update can permanently resolve these errors. That's why we always check the manufacturer's notes before deciding on an intervention, ensuring a reliable repair. Finally, after checking the sensor, cleaning its connections, and if necessary replacing or updating the control board, we restart the oven. Many customers say, after the technician checked it, it heated perfectly again, and F7 didn't appear anymore, confirming that following these steps ensures the oven works safely and without errors.